100S Core Alignment Fusion Splicer. The 100S reduces operating cycle time and offers easier use while delivering high-quality splices and reliable performance. The 100S achieves a 20% faster operating cycle time by expediting fiber preparation and fiber loading. To begin, two 250-micron fibers can be stripped simultaneously with the SS05 fiber stripper. The CT60 fiber cleaver fitted with a dual fiber adapter plate can then cleave two fibers simultaneously. The previous Fujikura splicer model required loading each fiber individually, with one hand placing the fiber in the clamp base and another hand to close the clamp cover. The 100S enables loading of both fibers, one in each hand, simultaneously. When setting the fiber in the clamp bases, the pressure triggers the clamp covers to close in the same motion, removing the need for a second hand to close the clamp covers. Thanks to its expanded allowable range for optical fiber setting, it is possible to splice even when the optical fiber tip extends beyond the electrode. With the V-shaped finger placement guide added to the fiber setting area, it's easy to accurately place fibers. By changing the shape of the set section, it is also possible to use it without a guide. The 100S is also equipped with features like the ability to use GPS to store its location at the time of splicing, to later be referenced when verifying splicing results. In case of a sudden power loss, the 100S can be powered by a compatible mobile charger. The Splice Coach function provides step-by-step instructional videos for in-the-field reference. This is useful for inexperienced users, and seasoned technicians can use Splice Coach to learn new techniques and applications while improving performance, increasing productivity, and reinforcing best splicing practices. To aid the 100S, the CT60 achieves stable, high-precision cleaving quality by utilizing a high-performance clamp and high-quality blade. Its adjustable opening angle enables the CT60 to easily be used handheld or on a tabletop. By increasing the number of blade positions from 16 to 28 compared to the CT50, there is no longer a need for blade height adjustments. As soon as it's opened, the 100S carrying case makes it easier to splice in confined locations with its removable work tray that expands to create a larger workspace or separates for optimal portability. The 100S is equipped with technology to ensure splices possess high quality and lasting performance. Active Fusion Control technology adjusts splice settings based on cleave end face quality and analysis of fiber brightness during fusion to significantly decrease splice loss, even with poorly cleaved fibers, and to maintain optimal arc power. Active Blade Management technology enables the 100S to monitor the CT60's blade condition, and after detecting a high frequency of bad cleaves, it will wirelessly signal the CT60 to rotate its motorized cleaver blade to a fresh position to restore cleave quality. To ensure reliability, the 100S is ruggedized to withstand shock, rain, and dust. When paired with Fujikura's Splice app, operators can acquire splice results, including the splice location data collected from the Fusion Splicer for better project management and workflow. Splice Plus also provides users the ability to lock the 100S and disable its operation if the paired phone is not present with the splicer. This aids in preventing theft and improper use of splicing equipment.